Make a great choice today with the 2016 2500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, front suspension classification, solid live axle, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, too. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.